पूरा हिंदुस्तान के लिए ही संदेश देंगे कि कम्युनल राइट जो है किसी को फ़ायदा नहीं पहुंचाता है, उल्टा नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाता है। और वहाँ का जो किसी भी जगह हम अपना तजुर्बा बता रहे हैं कि हमारे यहाँ जो कम्युनल राइट्स हुआ था 1991 में, जो इलाका बैकवर्ड में चला गया है वो आज तक भी तरक्की करके इसमें नहीं आया है। तो ये बात हम जानते हैं कि शांति और संहति के बिना उन्नति संभव नहीं है।
Shri Mohammad Abdul Bari has done exemplary and creditable services in restoring peace in Bhadrak post-communal riots there in 1991 and at the time of Babri Masjid demolition in 1992. And because of his efforts, he could contain outbreak of communal tensions in his district Bhadrak post-Godhra riots in 2002. Today, Shri Mohammad Abdul Bari from Odisha is a proud recipient of National Communal Harmony Awards.
दोनों कम्युनिटी के जो लीडर हैं प्लस डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सबों का मदद हमारे साथ शामिल रहा, तब जाके हम आज इस अचीवमेंट तक पहुंचे हैं। अगर नहीं होता तो हम अकेले कुछ नहीं कर सकते थे।
Shri Kamliana, who is the founder president of the Mizoram Youth, received the award for his extraordinary leadership and committed service throughout his life. His contribution covered diverse fields like rehabilitation of drug addicts, resource mobilization, AIDS awareness, etc. Making an obvious reference to communal tensions in Muzaffarnagar in Uttar Pradesh in his opening remarks, Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh reiterated central government's commitment and efforts to promote communal harmony in the country.
We meet today in the backdrop of heightened communal tensions in some parts of our country. Let me take this opportunity to reaffirm the commitment of the central government to make every possible effort to promote communal harmony and national integration in our country.
President Pranab Mukherjee said the moral duty of every individual and society as a whole is to spread peace and harmony, and we should learn lessons of communal harmony from our history.
That communalism does not seem to go away from our society. Why is it that we do not learn the lessons from our own history but keep repeating the same tragic mistake? That it is the moral duty of every individual and of society as a whole to spread peace and amity. What can we do to uphold and implement these? How can we be more vigilant against negative forces and successfully thwart their nefarious designs? These are the questions which staring at us in the context of the very recent happenings.
One of the most significant initiatives of the National Foundation for Communal Harmony is to recognize and honor individuals and organizations who have made outstanding contributions to the promotion of national integration. With Manjeet Thakur, Sakal Bhatt's report for DD News, New Delhi.
Thank you, sir.